everyone. With this video, we will demonstrate how to disassemble Samsung Galaxy A8.
Please note, placement of absorber number 2 and 3 is marked over back glass as shown. Since absorber number 1 lands over camera and creates vacuum leakage. Please note, vacuum sealing is divided into 3 parts. There are adsorption lines at the bottom. After placing the device, you may check vacuum sealing position referring to it. Lines of heater lower are very thin, so be careful while placing any device. Wrong direction may cause the broken FPCB inside Octa or back glass. FPCB should always be on the inner side. Check the status. To avoid any damage, use Octa disassembly jig while opening the heater upper. Press stop key. Release heater upper. Rotate the handle and take out the device from AOD.
Disassemble back glass and remove back glass tape. Eject SIM tray using eject pin. Gently pull the slide part. Loosen 14 screws. Disassemble rear from the front assembly. Loosen 2 screws from motor link. Disassemble the motor link. Disassemble the slide assembly from the hooks using tweezers. Please note, be careful, components should not get damaged.
Disconnect battery and FPCB connectors.
Disconnect coaxial cables. Disconnect and disassemble FPCB. Disconnect all connectors. Loosen 5 screws. Disassemble main PBA along with slide assembly. Disconnect all connectors. Loosen 2 screws and disassemble geared motor. Loosen 1 screw. Disassemble sub PBA. Loosen 2 screws. Disassemble fingerprint sensor. Remove the window display using tweezers. Loosen 8 screws. Disassemble the slide bracket. Loosen 4 screws. Carefully disassemble the hinge assembly. Detach the sub PBA. Loosen 4 screws. Disassemble camera. Please note, be careful not to damage camera and FPCB.
So this is how we can disassemble Samsung Galaxy A80.
A80.
Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.